Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is a quick video on the trailer valet. It's the 5X. I had ordered an open box item from Amazon, so it came a little messy, which is fine. It was went ahead and put it together. It literally takes maybe less than 5 minutes. Comes with these two brackets right here and this one in the front. So basically, you just install it in the trailer. You just put those bolts right inside, attach the nuts right there, and then there's a trailer lock. I had to go to the store and buy this because it didn't come with it, so I bought it. One with a lock so nobody could steal it. This little arm right here, it adjusts the height of it. You go up and down. Alright, let me see. Here goes a good view of it. So it came with the arm right here, the handle. It's got the, hey David, it was the high and low?
Yeah, high and low gear.
So it's a high and low gear right there. And then here goes the arm, the automatic locking. So apparently if it, and I'll go ahead and demonstrate it in a little bit. We haven't tried it out yet, but it's to go ahead and pull it out. And then apparently if it falls like that, it automatically locks the brakes to prevent it from rolling down. In my garage area, I have a little incline right here which goes up. And my last boat, I almost ended up in this garage right here because it ended up rolling down on me. This is a little bigger. I have it on a Tracker Guide 165 walkthrough. Here. Alright, so go ahead. We're gonna go ahead and test this out.
It's all bolted, right?
Yeah, it's all bolted in already. It's good. So this one right here, I could go ahead and pop this one up. This one's locked up.
It's all the first test.
So wait,
it don't move. That's the first test. That's good.
Okay, so it's right now. Being that this lever right here is down, it engages the locking device, which prevents the tires from rolling. Can you try put here? I'm gonna try to pull it forward. It doesn't allow me to. The brakes are locked on the boat. Let me go ahead. Yeah, it doesn't move at all. All right. So wait. So this right here is to. Okay, there it is. It released the locking mechanism. You want to turn it? All right. So, all right, now the boat is slowly rolling out. So wait, the top one is what? The top one is high gear, or
the top one is gonna be the low gear.
So the low gear is gonna make it go slower.
So make it go slower.
So this, and then, all right. So main test right here. The main reason I got this is so when I'm doing this by myself, when it comes down. When it comes down this right here, yeah, I'm ready. All right, so let's see if it. All right, yeah, it's coming down slowly. Hit the brake. Yeah. So it automatically locked it, prevent it from rolling down. If I just had this one on, the boat would have rolled completely down. All right, so we're taking it out of the garage.
Much easier.
Turning it. They do have a drill. I did buy the drill bit for this to help it. You know, instead of having to manually do it, if you have the drill, you could just drill it and it'll go. Oh. All right. So one thing that we noticed, the chain. We're not sure if it popped off while doing it or if it was popped off prior. So
Turn it. See what way it turns. Okay, hold on.
so
It's like a bicycle.
yeah, it's like a.
Put it on low. You didn't have the bolts for this?
Nope. Because it got a. Got to go ahead and try to figure out how to put that chain back on there. All right. So what we did, in order to put the chain back on, you had to disengage the brake in order to roll the chain on. There was a little play inside of it, so ended up getting an Allen wrench in order to pull the tires forward a little bit to make the chain a little tighter.
Need something like a bike so we can push up on it.
You need something to push up on it?
Yeah. See how it does?
Yeah. So we put the chain on. We're gonna go ahead and lock this back up. What the fuck? Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and roll it back down. Went ahead and tightened both of these up. Put a little more tension on the chain. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the. Alright. Alright. Is it? It's locking it?
It's locking it, alright.
Yeah. Alright. So this is the part right here. It's back tires are on the incline right here going downwards, and I don't know if you were able to hear it. It started sliding a little bit going forward. But as soon as he let this go down, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up a little bit. Whew. It's kind of scary. It's just scary, dude. You see how fast that thing's moving?
You gotta take it out. It's either that or leave it in the low gear.
Yeah, take it out. Alright. Alright. Well, it's stopping the boat from going forward, which is one of the main things if I'm doing it by myself. Usually I'm able to, as long as I get it out a little bit where I'm able to hook up my Jeep to it, I'm fine. It was mainly just to get it out and be able to put it up by myself. So, alright, well, the locking works. Now I'm gonna try to put it upwards. Yeah. Alright. Alright. And one of the main things on this is just for us, just to get it inside, like the back tires, just above the incline right here. Because then we're able to just, you know, push it with our hands the rest of the way in. But any problems pushing it in? Okay, so this dip right here, it's preventing it a little bit. It's starting to slide only because of the dip. What about in the low gear? These are things that, you know, that we deal with in real life, not just like on the video that they advertise, you know, where it's... That's high gear? Alright. So, if you have one of these in your alleys, you know, that could be a little issue, getting it inside there. And that right there might be an easy fix if we maybe throw a piece of wood or something. But, let me go ahead and try give it a go. Alright, so this is what we're going to have to do. We're going to have to bring it forward a little bit. Put a piece of wood. No, it's not working, huh? Is it? Alright. Alright, so we were able to get it up. I think part of the problem was, you know, part of this problem is probably this incline right here. It doesn't look like a big incline, but it definitely, when it's full of gas, and it's actually putting a lot more weight in the back of the boat. So what we're gonna try, I purchased this right here to attach it to the drill. So we demonstrated how it was doing it manually. I spoke to somebody who owns this, and he said having this drill part is a must. So we're gonna go ahead and try that out and see if this actually makes it a lot easier. All right, put that in. You gotta hit the lever. All right. Oh, there you go, unplug. It's so scary?
Yeah, it is. It's locking somewhere.
It's locking? The fuck? I don't know if this shit's worth it. It seems like a lot of fucking work. Alright, as you can see, we're having a lot of difficulties with putting it in. Oh shit. Something pop up?
Chop this up.
Yeah, let me put this. Yeah,
Here's the front part.
any problems? Oh,
Oh, we went backwards.
yeah, it just got to be straightened out. Was there any problems going up?
No, it seemed like it was going very smooth. Over there?
Actually, we could just probably. Oh yeah, I think it'll. Yeah, you're good that way. So one thing that I'm probably gonna recommend, just in case that fails, I would say leave this one attached as well. Leave it downwards in case it comes off. That it doesn't. So, all right. So this right here. Oh, where is it at? So this bolt, I'm gonna go ahead and return it and get my $40 back for what I need it. I mean, it has its purpose, but for what I need it for, you know, if I was just going straight and I just wanted to rush it going straight somewhere, but I needed it to come up and it's just skipping and it's locking it. So I'm gonna go ahead and return this adapter for that.